Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. So previous class we are completed straight lines. Now I am going to discuss pair of straight lines. This is a new chapter. What is pair of straight line? The combined equation of two linear equations is called pair of straight line. L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0. There are two lines, two linear lines, or any two lines, then the combined equation of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. Combined means product. For suppose see here, y plus x, this is one line, y minus x, this is another line. The product of these two lines, what we get? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is equal to 0. Finally, this is x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is one pair of straight line. See here, y plus x, y minus x. These two lines are passing through origin or not? Y is equal to x. This is a line. This is y is equal to x. That is, we can write y minus x is equal to 0. This is second line, y is equal to minus x, y plus x is equal to 0. This is line L1, this is line L2. The combined equation of L1, L2 is called a pair of line. And observe here, the pair of line having degree 2. So the pair of line passing through origin means we will say that is homogeneous equation. If it is not passing through origin, we will say that non-homogeneous equation. So the pair of line, homogeneous pair of line, general form is like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is homogeneous equation in variable x and y. So how we say that this is homogeneous? Degree same, here 2, here also degree 2, here 1, 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. Degree same means we will say that the line is homogeneous. This is homogeneous pair of straight line. Non-homogeneous. So the non-homogeneous equation is not passing through origin. So general form is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is a pair of straight line, that to non-homogeneous equation. How we know that it is non-homogeneous means here degree is 2, here 1 plus 1, here also degree 2, here is degree 2, here degree is 1, here degree is 1, here there is no degree, that means degree is 0. See, overall observe that same degree not there. So that's why this is, we will say that non-homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous second degree equation in x and y. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now what is the difference between homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Here remember it, homogeneous equation passing through origin, but non-homogeneous equation not passing through origin. Okay, right. Now Separate equations of pair of lines. Here one pair of straight line given, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So this is one pair of line. That means combined equation of two straight lines. How to find out two straight lines? These are the two straight lines here. Now I am going to explain proof. Here 2-3 methods are there. Follow any one of the method. Now a into x square plus 2hy into x plus by square is equal to 0. This is given pair of line. Observe that this is one quadratic equation in x. So how to solve, how to split into factors in quadratic equation? So we know the formula. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula now. Use here. X is equal to minus b, that means minus 2h plus r minus under root b square. B means what? 2h minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, students. Now do the calculation. Minus 2h plus r minus inside the root 4y. Here we need to write y. I forgot here, write to y. 2hy square, that is 4h square y square. 4y square take common, you will get outside 2y under root remaining part h square minus ab. Here also we need to write y or not. B value 2hy. This is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. These are the ab values. Okay. Now denominator, what is it? 2a. So 2 take common and it's going to cancel. Remaining, take cross multiplication. We get ax is equal to minus hy plus r minus y into under root h square minus ab. So take positive ones, negative ones, and those values send left hand side. Minus hy send left hand side plus hy. Take positive, send left hand side, it is going to negative. We get h square minus ab is equal to 0. This is one line. Next, ax plus hy plus y into under root h square minus ab, that is equal to 0. Ax plus, here take y common, we get h plus under root h square minus ab into y, that is equal to 0. This line we got. Now in second line, observe that ax, here also take y common, h minus under root h square minus ab into y is equal to 0. This is second line. How to separate the lines in pair of line? This is one of the procedure. Okay, students, all of you understood now. We can follow another method also. Nature of the pair of lines. The second degree homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to represent a pair of straight lines. Those are passing through origin. What are the pair of lines? This is one line. This is another straight line. Here observe that h square minus ab. by observing the nature of by observing the h square minus ab, we will say that nature of the pair of line. H square minus ab greater than 0. That means h square is greater than ab. Then we will say that the two lines are real and distinct. Two real and distinct lines when if h square greater than ab. If h square minus ab is equal to 0, that means h square is equal to ab. In this case, we will say that the two lines are coincident. That means two coincident lines when if h square is equal to ab. Next, h square minus ab less than 0. Less than 0. That means h square is less than ab. In this case, we will say that the two lines are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. Already you know that nature of the quadratic equation. By observing the discriminant, we will say that delta greater than 0, the roots are distinct. The roots are distinct. Delta is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Here, real and distinct. Delta less than 0. The roots are imaginary. Imaginary. Same concept here also. See, delta greater than 0 means two real and distinct lines. Delta is equal to 0 means two coincident lines. Delta less than 0 means, see here, imaginary lines. You can remember like this. This is already you know very well. So by comparing these two, so you can remember like this. Okay, students, h square greater than ab means the nature of the pair of line is two real and distinct lines. H square is equal to ab means two coincident lines. Okay, h square is less than ab means imaginary lines. Okay, I think all of you understood now. Slopes of pair of lines. Slopes of pair of lines. A pair of line is representing two lines. Two lines having that two slopes. For suppose here we are taken homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We know that homogeneous equation, the pair of lines are passing through origin. This is one of the line. This is another line. So first line I am taking y is equal to m1x. Second one I am taking y is equal to m2x. So slope of the first line, how much? m1. Slope of the second line, m2. Okay, students, see here concept. Y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x are two lines represented by the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 with slopes m1 and m2. Now this is, we can write like this, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to the combined equation of two lines is pair of line now. Y is equal to m1x. We can write y minus m1x. This is y minus m2x. First, see here, one of the variable we want to equate. Here, what is there? By square. After multiplication, what we get? Only y square. That's why we want to equate them. So we need here b. So that's why multiply b here. Okay, students. Now multiply right hand side terms b is equal to y square minus m2 into xy minus m1 into xy plus m1 m2 x square. This is now finally we can write like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, that is equal to, multiply with b also, by square minus, so here take minus xy common, minus b into xy, here we get m1 plus m2 plus m1 m2 b x square. By comparing x square, y square and xy coefficient, first I am going to compare x square coefficient. Here what is there? A. Here what is there? B m1 m2. So A is equal to B m1 m2. In this case, we get product of the slopes. M1 m2 is equal to how much, students? A by B. This is a product of the slopes. Comparing xy coefficient, 2h, that is equal to minus b into m1 plus m2. See here, comparing xy coefficient, here what is there? 2h, here minus b and m1 plus m2. So finally, minus 2h by b, that is equal to m1 plus m2. So sum of the slopes, product of the slope. Here already given clearly, sum of the slopes how much? Minus 2h by b. Product of the slopes, a by b. So proof also we are done. Now difference of the roots. What is the difference of the roots here? m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab by mod b. Formula given. Next, you see that C point, the combined equation of pair of lines with slopes m1 m2. For suppose slopes given means how to find pair of line. How to find pair of line? This is the formula: y square minus m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 m2 into x square is equal to 0. This is shortcut formula. How we get means y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0. The combined equation of two straight line is called pair of line. Now multiply these two, you will get this formula. Y is equal to mx. So instead of y, substitute mx and take x square common here, then you will get this condition. This is quadratic equation in M. Here m1 comma m2 are roots of the equation. m1 m2 are roots of the equation. Then sum of the roots, product of the roots. Sum of the roots formula minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. So here a value is b value is 2h, c value is a. Use that formulas, you will get sum of the roots, product of the roots. Then how to find difference of the roots? This is a formula: m1 minus m2 whole square. This is a minus b whole square form, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Use this concept, you will get. Now modulus m1 minus m2, that is equal to under root m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 m2. Here substitute sum of the roots and product of the roots. So you will get this formula, that is difference of the roots of the equation. See here, first one, that means second point. The slopes of straight lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are reciprocals to each other. For suppose m1 slope m, then m2 slope is 1 by m. The slopes are reciprocal to each other. m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to 1 by m means in that case we will say that a is equal to b, x square y square coefficient equal. Okay friends, now I am going to third point. If the slopes of two lines are in the ratio L is to m, then what is the condition? Slopes are in the ratio, that means m1 is equal to Lm, m2 is equal to so here L is to m we are taken now, so that is the problem. Okay, slope m1, what we can take another way. The slopes are in the ratio L is to m, L is to m. In this case m1 is equal to Lm, then m2 is equal to m into 1 more m. Okay, these m is slope only, these two are equal, but red color here yellow mark, these two are not equal, these two are not equal. Okay, or we can write another way, the slopes are in the ratio L is to k, then you will understand L is to k means one of the slope is Lm, another slope is Km. The slopes are in the ratio L is to K means what is the shortcut formula, students? This is L plus M whole square into AB, that is equal to 4H square Lm. Okay, now I am going to fifth point. See here, the slope of one of the line is represented by k times the slope of other. That means slope of first line is m means slope of another line is km. So the slopes are in the ratio 1 is to k. Then what is the shortcut formula here? 4k h square is equal to k plus 1 whole square into AB. In place of L is to m, take that 1 is to k. L is to m, take 1 is to k. Substitute here. So out of 3 and 4, remember it. Third one, automatically you will get fourth one. Okay, students. So I'm going to fifth formula. What they are given here, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines if slopes of one line is nth power of the other, then so for suppose slope of one line is m means what is slope of another line, that is m power n, nth power. So this is the shortcut formula, a b power n whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus a power n into b whole power 1 by n plus 1 plus 2h is equal to 0. This is shortcut formula. Now last but not least, sixth point, slope of one line is square of the other. That means slope of first line is m means Slope of second line is m square, square of the other. In this case, what is the shortcut formula means here? That is AB into A plus B minus 6H plus 8H cube is equal to 0. In all the cases, how to identify A value, B value, H value means by observing the pair of line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. In this pair of line, we will identify that A 2hb. X square coefficient is A, y square coefficient is B, xy coefficient is 2h. So by comparing that, so we can identify that values and substitute in shortcut formulae, we get answer easily. Okay, students, all of you understood now?